Check it out, guys. 2015 Chrysler 300 Redeye. It's got a Redeye Hellcat motor, all swapped. I'll show it to you guys once we bring it down. It's got the Redeye wheels, the flake in the paint. It's really, really nicely done, cleanly done, done right. He's got over 50 grand in this thing in build quality, so it's really nice. He brought it to us. We just did a mid-muffler delete for him, but I said I got to record this and put it on the channel for you guys, so that's what we did. Factory converter there, factory converter there, factory X. Then we did a mid delete, left the valves on it there, did a rear delete there and there. Kept the stock tips, as you guys can see right there. But the real showstopper is under the hood. I'll show it to you guys in a second. And there's the two mufflers that we took off right there. So stay tuned. We're about to lower it down. Even the brake setup, everything's been swapped out. Look at that. The gauge clusters, dash, he left it the same to make it look like a 300. So you guys can see it is clean. Only thing that tells that it's a Redeye, it's right there, which is awesome. It's clean. Got a custom hood on it, which it needs. Make it look beastly. Custom front lip. And here's the star of the show. You guys ready? There it is. Look at that Redeye. Supercharged Hemi. You can see the Redeye on it right there. Very nice. Nicely put. Upgraded supercharger. Belt, everything. It's smushed in there, but it fits. Go ahead and start it up for me. I know you guys always want to hear the whine, so here we go. That never gets old. Again. In a Chrysler 300, guys. Listen to that. Again. Woo. Woo. All right, I'm going to the back. Sounds a lot better. You like it? That's how it should sound, you know? Give it gas? Back it up. But yeah. It's not your average 300, that's for sure. It sounds so good. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chrysler Redeye 300. Got a crowd watching. Oh my God! Woo-hoo-hoo! That's a beast right there. Did you see that? That's it. Damn. He says it spins out every time, like that. That's awesome.